Friends, today my topic of discussion is 9/11 5 deadly terrorist group. It means after 9/11 attack of 2001, who are the most deadly terrorist group in the world? According to Global Terrorist Index report of 2013-14, the most 5 deadly terrorist groups were responsible for 74% of all deaths from terrorism, and this represents a large increase in these groups, as in 2013 these same 5 groups were responsible for 59% of deaths. If we compare in number, then in 2013 these 5 groups killed 5,932 people from terrorist attack, whereas in 2014 it killed 18,444 people, which is more than tripling in number. So let us see who are the 5 deadly terrorist groups after 9/11 attack. The 5 most deadly terrorist groups are Boko Haram, ISIL or Islamic States, Taliban, Fulani militants, Al-Shabaab. Now we will discuss individually each terrorist group. First, we will see Boko Haram. Boko Haram was the most deadliest terrorist group in 2014, killing 6,644 people. This group is also known as Jamaat Sunnah Lid-Dawa wal Jihad, and more recently it is named as Islamic States of West Africa Province. Islamic States of West Africa Province. The name Boko Haram can be translated as Western education is forbidden, or the name Boko Haram means Western education is forbidden. Following a dispute with Nigerian government authorities and the death of their leader Muhammad Yusuf in 2009, the group began engaging in a campaign of violence. Means after the dispute of the Nigerian government authorities and the death of their leader Muhammad Yusuf in 2009, this group practiced more violence method. Its new leader name is Abu Bakr Shekau, declared jihad against the Nigerian government and the US in 2010. The main aim of Boko Haram is to establish an Islamic State in Nigeria, a country which is divided between the Christian South and Muslim North. And here Sharia is fully implemented in 9 districts of Nigeria, northern Nigeria, and partially in 3 of the 36 states of Nigeria. All are in northern Nigeria. Then we will see ISIL or Islamic State. ISIL or Islamic State is also known as ISIS or Islamic States or Daesh. This terrorist group is based on Syria and Iraq. It emerged from Al-Qaeda in Iraq, moving into Syria during the Syrian civil war. But in February 2014, Al Qaeda formally broke its ties with ISIL because of the leader of Al Qaeda stating ISIL ISIL with the leader of Al Qaeda stating ISIL disobeyed directions from Al Qaeda to kill fewer civilians like other fundamentalist jihadis. ISIL seeks to create an area of Islamic rule. They now control a significant amount of territory in both Iraq and Syria. ISIL aspires to control the Levant region, which includes Israel, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. It means the main aim of ISIL is to, like other fundamentalist jihadist groups, its main aim is to create an area of Islamic rule, means the Sharia rule, and it also aims to control the Levant region, which includes Israel, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. It is opposed to the Alawite Assad regime and the Shia Iraqi government of Haider al-Abadi. ISIL has also claimed to be a fighting of holy war against Shia Muslims, Christians, and Yazidis, an ethno-religious group in Iraq and Syria. Then third deadly terrorist group is Taliban. Taliban is founded in 1994 by Muhammad Omar. The group was originally constituted by a mixture of mujahideen who fought against the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan in the 1980s and a group of Pashtun tribesmen. The Taliban took control of Afghanistan in 1996 and ruled until 2001, when they were overthrown by the US-led invasion of Afghanistan. They have since regrouped as an insurgency movement to fight the former Karzai administration and the NATO-led international security forces. Now, the Taliban, or now the regrouped Taliban organization, has named as the New Taliban or the Quetta Shura Taliban due to the current location of their leadership of the organization has rebranded itself as an independence movement in an attempt to gain support as it attempts to recapture and take control of Afghanistan. So here we saw this Taliban group. It is created or formed in 1994 by Muhammad Omar, and its main aim is to recapture or take control the complete Afghanistan or entire Afghanistan and establish their Sharia rule. Then fourth deadly terrorist groups is named as Fulani militants. These Fulani militants, they are the nomadic tribe. They are in Nigeria. These Fulani militants, they are in Nigeria. They come from a semi-nomadic and pastoralistic ethnic group and they are also engaged in conflict with farming communities. The Fulani or Fula people live in at least 7 countries in the West Africa, and the tribe comprises over 20 million people. Their main duty is to search the land for grazing their cattle. And in Nigeria, Fulani communities have faced tension with farmer communities over resources for many years. 70% of Fulanis are nomadic grazers, and groups of Fulani militants have used mainly machine guns and attacks on villagers to assault and intimidate farmers. Alongside the destabilized security situation in Nigeria due to the increased activity of Boko Haram, there was a dramatic increase in attacks by Fulani militants in 2014. Then the last one is Al-Shabaab. Al-Shabaab, also known as Harakat al-Shabaab al-Mujahideen, which is an Al-Qaeda affiliated based in Somalia that is seeking to create an Islamic state in Somalia. The group was in control of cities throughout Somalia, including large areas of the capital Mogadishu. However, due to a military campaign by the African Union, Al-Shabaab no longer has the territorial reach to one side. Nevertheless, 2014 was the deadliest year for the group, with the number of deaths from terrorism doubling to 1021 and the number of attacks increasing by 1.5 times to nearly 500. So, if we conclude the 5 most deadly terrorist group, then we saw that all the terrorist groups, or the main aim of all the terrorist group, is to create an Islamic state or Islamic rule. And here we can say that all terrorists are Muslim, but not all Muslims are terrorists.